Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tap sensitivity for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then go to the settings at the right top, and at the right side we have tap sensitivity. Tap at this line, and now we can increase sensitivity by move to the right, or lower by move the slider to the left. So by default it's 17, and sometimes it happens that you can double press to your touch area, but it do a command with a triple press. So maybe I'm going to lower it to 13 and check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.